Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this beautiful Wildflower crock pot. This one here is by Drew Barrymore. This is a 6-quart and it is programmable. Alright, so we got our beautiful Wildflower black crockpot slow cooker. It has 5 preset functions. It is large enough to cook for several people. You can see that this is a really nice size. It holds up to 6 quarts. It uses 210 watts. The dimensions are 17.16 inch deep by 11.92 inches wide by 11.14 inches high. This is a really nice crock pot. This 6-quart capacity is a slow cooker that you can cook up to 7 people, perfect for families. It is a 5% slow cooking modes: meat, poultry, stew, soup, and chili. So you can automatically click on whichever one you want. It is a touch activated display which illuminates only when needed. Provides a sleek and modern look. So it's got a nice oval sized tank. You do get the instructions manual. So this basically tells you how to run it, what kind of meals you can make. So I did make a meal to smell up my house for the holidays. It was perfect. I love the fact that this one here is a really nice crock pot. It warmed it up really nicely and it didn't take very long. So it is a digital countdown timer from 30 minutes up to 24 hours. This is a removable ceramic pot so you can clean and serve. It is a touch cool handle so you don't have to worry about burning your handles. So we're going to go into the instructions manual. It does have a lot of recipes in here. So if you're not familiar about cooking with crock pots, this one does give you a basically detailed of what meals you can cook. I like the fact that it has this thing here on the back, this middle thing that holds the top. So you don't have to worry about holding it or put it to the side. It actually got a spot that you can store it. And then right here is the nice instructions manual. So it has your index right here on how to use it, what you can cook, basically anything. So it's in English and it's also in Spanish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up and I'm going to cook me a nice little drink meal. So this one here not only tastes good, but it also makes your house smell really nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, show you how good this crock pot is. You can see how easy this recipe was with this crock pot. It cooked it in no time and made my house smell really lovely during the holiday. If you're looking for a nice crock pot that has a digital display that doesn't take much to cook, I would highly recommend checking this one out. And this gives any good look to anyone's decor.